Hey, this is Brad with WTI, and I want to talk to you today about these light gray Hotel Direct bamboo sheets. They're really nice, silky smooth, very comfortable. They're nice and light. We really like the color on them. They match with our decor in our guest room, which is where we are. And also our guests have said that they're really nice sheets. They really enjoy them. They're also nice and cool. We enjoy the warranty on them. We also have dealt with customer service with Hotel Direct sheets, and they were very accommodating. So they're really nice and crisp too. When you lay them out over the bed and tuck them in, they have a nice, like, clean, almost glassy look to them when they're on the bed. And also when they're nice and folded up, you know, sitting in your closet somewhere and you pull them out for a guest, they're nice and shiny, really clean looking. So overall, beautiful product. We're really happy with them. Other people that are friends that come to stay with us are really happy with them, and we've enjoyed them very much. Very surprised at how smooth and nice bamboo sheets really are. And that's my point of view.